Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your brand assets using OneDrive Personal Vault detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Personal Vault option in the left-hand menu. If it's your first time using Personal Vault, follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. You may need to verify your identity through a security code sent to your email or phone. After setting up, you will have access to the secure storage space of Personal Vault. To add your brand assets, click on the Upload button at the top of the page. Select the files you wish to back up, such as logos, marketing materials, or documents. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Personal Vault window. Wait for the upload process to complete, which may take a few moments depending on file size. Once the files are uploaded, confirm that they appear in your Personal Vault. To organize your assets, consider creating folders within Personal Vault. Click on New and then Folder to create a new folder for categorizing your brand assets. Name the folder appropriately and click Create. You can then move files into these folders by selecting them and using the Move to option. Remember that Personal Vault has a storage limit, so manage your files accordingly. To ensure your files are secure, utilize the additional security options provided by OneDrive. These may include two-factor authentication and encryption measures. Regularly visit your Personal Vault to update or add new brand assets as needed. Make a habit of backing up new materials to maintain an organized digital library. Always log out of your OneDrive account, especially on shared devices, to protect your assets. By following these steps, you can effectively back up and secure your brand assets using OneDrive Personal Vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.